Hey everyone, Brent ADV here, and today I got a special treat for you guys. We're going to be working on this Arai XD4 I just got, and we're going to be putting a Cardo Palktalk Slim in it. I just picked this up from Cycle Gear. I had to get the dual pack because they didn't have any of the single packs in store, so you gotta do what you gotta do. But this is the Cardo Palktalk Slim. It's the same format as the Bold, except the hardware is different. We'll open it up here and see. This is the latest unit from Cardo. Oh, it's got the digital mesh communication, so you can take up to 32 riders, I believe. No, up to 15 riders and talk. I don't know why you'd want to talk to 15 people in your helmet that much, but it's also got voice command, and unlike the Bold, it's a much smaller form factor. So let's get this started here. Packaging on this thing is very nice. Okay, in the center here we have our 2 units. And on each side we have all of our accessories. This should come with the boom mic and the stick-on mic. Various mounting tabs, instructions. Okay, so this unit goes on the side of the helmet, and then the battery pack and control unit goes in the back as such. So we're going to start here by taking out these foam pieces out of the helmet. I was a little hesitant about spending this much on a helmet, but this Arai helmet is really nice. It's very quiet. It flows a ton of air, so it keeps you nice and cool when you are driving down the road. Just leave that piece in. Shouldn't need to take the neck buffer out, as it's glued in. I don't want to pull that out. Okay. So this helmet doesn't have any pockets for the speakers, but there should be enough space to put the speakers in there. I want to make sure the controls are flush to the side, and that this neck piece goes all the way to the back. Tucks in there. Looks like that cord will tuck in there nicely. Oh, they even got chargers. Got 2 charging systems for this in here. Microphone buttons. I'm not sure what these are. This might be, yep. Okay. So this must be the short one. Wow, this replaces that. In case that one's too much. So I might put that one on. Elongated. You can see that some of them are different sizes here. There's some rectangular ones. And then there's some square pads. And there's also these speaker cushions. Now, a lot of helmets have recessed speaker ports, but this one does not. So I'm gonna have to use these adhesive pads in here to attach the speakers right onto the interior frame. Just gonna put it on here for reference real quick. Let's see where I should put these speakers at. And it looks like I need to put them right beside the chin straps here. Okay, so these speakers are left and right. The short one goes to the left side when it connects, and then the long one goes to the right side. Now you want to make sure that when you install these that the excess wire goes up and over the top of the helmet, because that is the wire no tools at all required. Okay, so this Cardo system comes with 2 sets of back laps, so you can fit it smoothly. They just pop off. Go with this shorter one. It just pops right on there. And then 2 sets of mounting forks, mounting brackets, long and short, depending on your application. My helmet's pretty tight, so I'm going to go with this shorter one. And it just slides in there as such. See if you can see that. Just slides in there as such, and then it will slide down into the back of the helmet. Okay, and then I'm just going to tuck this cord down in there, down into the neck roll. Okay, and now I can connect my speakers with supplied Velcro pads. See if these are multiple sizes or are these all just one size. Okay, so I have my speakers, and then I have multiple pads. There's some square, some for the FM radio. Okay, so we'll just stick this in here, right next to the ear cavity, and stick this other one right on the other side. I guess I should use little alcohol prep pads. Just to make sure we have a clean mounting surface. Okay, now that we got those in there, I'm going to install the microphone next. And it even comes pre-wrapped from the factory here, so it's very convenient of them. And we'll use the alcohol pad on this one. So my microphone does not come loose. I actually just found another set of vents on this helmet that I did not know were there. There's some chin bar mounted vents in there that slide. I was unaware of those. Like I said, I've only had this helmet for a couple weeks now. I've been very happy with it because it flows a lot more air than my old Icon variant, and it is quite a bit lighter. Okay. So we'll put this microphone in here. Just right next. Oop, that didn't stick. Push a little harder. Okay, and then we'll tuck the microphone wire in there along with these wires for the speaker. Make sure they're all tucked in there nice and neat so they're not hanging down, flapping in the wind, causing excess noise. So they weren't tucking down in there very well. So I found that there's a little adhesive, a space underneath the adhesive strip for the neck roll. And they fit under there very well. And now they'll just tuck all up in there, right underneath the pads. Okay, so we got that in. We got the speaker wire running to the other side. Now we're going to put our liner back in. Front, back. Okay, our side cheeks in, our cheek pads go in next. You gotta make sure that the safety release tab is towards the front there. These have no, you just pop into place here. They do not have any clips or snaps. Okay, this one might be a little tight because we have those connectors over here. So just make sure that the left side is fully, or the right side is fully inserted in there. Okay, so there we go. We got our Palktalk Bold inspired, or Palktalk Slim installed on there. Very slim installation. It fit nice. I don't believe the Arai XD4 is listed as being compatible on their website, but you can see that it fits very nicely. It doesn't feel loose, and it doesn't add that much weight to the helmet. Okay, so there you go. Thank you for watching. Well, I just got done testing the Palktalk Slim, and I came to a realization. I put the speakers in the wrong place, particularly for this Arai helmet. So I put the speakers underneath of the cheek pads. However, the cheek pads have foam in them, and I could not actually hear it. So what I actually did was I went back and I inserted the speakers underneath of the ABS foam, or on the other side. So these cheek pads that come in this helmet have a foam section right there, and I just removed this cover and I tucked the speakers up underneath it there, and that seemed to work out pretty good. So it's a little harder to remove, but you can see that the Velcro on the back of the speaker just fits under there, and then you put the covering over the speaker, and you just have to be cautious whenever you're removing the cheek pads, just to make sure you don't rip the speaker wire out. But yeah, I used it today and it worked out very good. The sound quality was excellent. I'm still getting used to it. I gotta go through the manual and go through some of the features and see exactly how to set the radio stations on it. But other than that, no issues. Very clean install. Flush mount. This doesn't move. Note the USB plug is right underneath of there. Yeah, I didn't have any issues. Sits very flush to the back of the helmet. It doesn't feel chintzy or it's going to fall out. But there you go. Thanks for watching.